How to enable tap to wake feature. This tutorial shows you how to wake your screen with a simple double tap instead of pressing the power button. First, open Settings on your Android. After that, tap on Advanced Features from the list. Let me show you. From there, tap on Motions and Gestures to open the gesture options. At this point, scroll down until you spot the option labeled Double Tap to Wake. In the next step, turn on the toggle next to it to switch the feature on. Following this, close out of settings once the toggle is active. Once done, double tap anywhere on the screen while it's off to test that it wakes up. Keep in mind, this feature works on the screen itself, so it won't respond to taps on the frame or buttons. Finally, head back to this same menu anytime you want to switch double tap to wake on or off. And that's it. If this guide helped you enable tap to wake feature, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.